Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your active and passive voice lesson. And especially, I am teaching you today how we are going to change any active into passive, and especially in interrogative sentence. Okay. So basically, today in this video, I will be teaching you about the usage of present tense, and we'll see in different forms. How we are having the changes. So first of all, we'll study present simple. So I will cite examples. Suppose do I eat apples? Now we have a specific format for this, like select and is R plus object. Then we are selecting the V3 of your main verb, then preposition by, then agent. Question mark. Now we come to know what is all about this agent or what I meant to speak. So agent means I am just replacing your subject from active into the object in passive, or it means this particular subject or pronoun it will go to its object form. So see the structure here and how with the help of the structure we are changing active into passive. Now you see your object apples. Now first of all, child should learn before you study your object, please note that the number of the object, whether it is singular number or plural number. Now you see your object, it denotes plural number, so of course R to be selected in passive. R, then write down your object R apples, then V3 of it, eaten, then preposition by, agent. So now this subject or pronoun it will go to its object. So what is the object of I? Me. Question mark. So are apples eaten by me? So this particular structure it is followed while you find any sentence belongs to present simple and specifically in active form. So you can get your passive by following this particular structure. Now I will be citing examples from your present progressive. This is number 1. So number 2 present progressive we can see here. Am I eating apples? Now you can go with this particular structure, and is R plus your object plus extra being verb plus main verb V3 you have to select plus preposition by every time, then the agent form. Or the subject of your activity go to its object form. So mark the object and select the helping verb here apples. So of course R to be selected while changing into passive. So R apples extra being. So this is the V3 of your B verb. Then we have degree of your eat verb, so it should be eaten plus preposition by, then agent means the subject will go to its object position. So what is the object of I? Me. Okay. Now this particular structure a child can use it while converting any active into passive. Okay, now I will be citing more one example from your active sentence now. and especially I will deal with the perfect form in present tense form. Okay. Now let us study more one example, and this is the last example from your present perfect. Now you see what the changes we have in present perfect. Have we visited the Taj Mahal? Have we visited the Taj Mahal? Now, as for the object, we have to select either have or has, plus write down the object, plus extra being verb, plus main verb V3, plus your preposition by, then your agent. Question mark. Okay. So have you visited the Taj Mahal? You mark the object of the Taj Mahal. It is your direct object because it is answered by what. So as for your object, now we have to select the helping verb also impressive. So what will be your answer? Has the Taj Mahal extra been, again this is the V3 of your be verb, has the Taj Mahal been main verb V3, or if it is given visited, then preposition by agent. Now this subject position of your activity will go to its object. So what is the object of we? Us. Question mark. Okay. So has the Taj Mahal been visited by us? So dear students, you know this is all about understanding basically an interrogative sentence, you know, and I have cited different structures for different forms, you know. So I hope that this video is very much useful to you, and please follow all the structures, you know, which are applied, you know, or which are used in different forms. Okay, like simple, progressive, and perfect, especially in present tense form, you know. So dear students, in my next video I will be showing you about the usage of past tense and all the related forms also, and we'll see how we are going to change any active into passive, especially in interrogative kind of sentence, you know. So till that time, please watch the video, like and subscribe so that notifications will come to you regarding some more interesting topics from your grammar. Okay, so goodbye and take care. Have a cheerful day.